Hello, hello. Welcome to our daily English podcast for beginners.
Hi, Teacher Mary. Hi, everybody.
Today, we'll talk about family and friends. Stella, can you tell us about your family?
Yes, I'm Stella. I'm 5 years old. I live in Brazil, and I love my family.
That's wonderful. Who do you love in your family?
I love my mom and my dad and my grandpas and grandmas. I love them so much.
Aw. And do you have cousins?
Yes, my cousin Biel. I love Biel so much. He is funny and we play a lot.
Amazing. And what about your aunts?
My aunts, Rosanna and Patricia, they are so nice and give lots of kisses and hugs.
Adorable. Now, let's talk about friends. Who are your friends from school?
My friends are Anina, Helena, Hugo, and Pietro. We play together at school.
What do you like to play with them?
We play tag and we also play make-believe with dolls and toy cars.
Great. Now, Stella, what foods do you like?
Sweets. I love sweets. And pasta. Pasta is my favorite. Yummy!
Pasta lover, I see. And what toys or characters do you like?
I love LOL dolls and I love Wednesday Addams. She's super stylish.
Wednesday Addams, nice. And what about Disney?
Frozen. I love Frozen. Let it go.
Beautiful singing. Let's practice English with short sentences. Repeat after me.
Okay.
I love my family.
I love my family.
I love my cousin Biel.
I love my cousin Biel.
I love my aunts, Rosanna and Patricia.
I love my aunts, Rosanna, Patricia, and Fernanda. And also my Uncle Giuliano, not to mention my other cousins, Raphael and Giovanni.
My friends are Anna, Helena, Hugo, and Pietro.
My friends are Anna, Helena, Hugo, and Pietro.
I live in Brazil.
I live in Brazil.
I like sweets and pasta.
I like sweets and pasta.
I love LOL, Wednesday Addams, and Frozen.
I love LOL, Wednesday Addams, and Frozen.
Excellent, Stella. High five.
High five. Smack!
Before we finish, here's a fun question. Who is your best friend today?
Today, it's Biel, but I also love my friends.
Good answer. Family and friends make life happy.
Teacher Mary, can I say something?
Of course.
Guys, please subscribe to the channel and follow our Instagram. Click the button, okay? Thank you.
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram.
Bye-bye.
See you next time. Bye.